Ethereum is bouncing from structure support today, already up 1.78%, but this is just a bounce from support. We have a long ways to go before we even consider the possibility of a full-on break to the upside. That would officially call this as the bottom. Instead, I'm actually looking for a rejection to the downside, and whether we bounce from support or break support really is the question for me. I'm not expecting a breakup. I'm looking for a breakdown for the next entry opportunity. And as a heads up, guys, this could be the absolute bottom of the bear market coming up. Historically, the same signals that I'm going to show you in this video earned 463% after calling the exact bottom of the 2022 bear market, and an absolutely insane 5,939% at the bottom of the 2018 bear market. These signals are not ones you want to miss, so stay tuned. Really quick, how's it going, everyone? My name is Jake with Trade Confident, and in our membership every single week we are providing future forecast videos, which are nearly an hour-long, jam-packed, full of trading data and showing you how we're managing our seven-figure portfolio in the current market. If you want to see experts run their portfolio, this is the place to do it. Memberships can be found at the links in the description down below for 25% off your first month. Getting started, we're trading Ethereum USD on the daily time frame with the market cycle highs and lows and the Protrade manager. Yeah, we may bounce, we may even reject all the way up here. In fact, let's extend this line a little bit to show a point of rejection. Ultimately, this is an ascending channel pattern, especially coming from a massive drop. This could be considered a bear flag, which is, of course, highly bearish. Regardless of whether we bounce and drop down or just break down from here, a breakdown to me is where real money is likely to be made. This is where the best entry opportunities for the long term are likely to appear. Once we break support, I am looking for a price drop to around $1,411 as our main structure support, although we do have to break $1,563 and $1,710 first. Instead, what I'm going to be watching is for this colored line that follows the price as we drop to fall into fear or max fear. Both of these indicate that retail traders are pretty much out of the market. They have panic sold everything, and because of that, there's not much selling pressure left, and institutions know this. They know that this is a discounted price that's not likely to drop further, and this is where they're going to buy up to maximize their profits in the bull market. You want to trade with the whales, not against them. Retail traders are the ones that are panic selling, and you do not want to be doing that. And that's why fear and max fear mark entry zones for us. In fact, they mark the entire market cycle bottom zone. And you can see this back here in 2022, an entire zone called the market bottom. Back here, 2018, fear and max fear called the market cycle bottom. Now, keeping that in mind, the Protrade manager is designed to call local bottoms wherever we're at in the market. And if you find a local bottom, which is signified by a green dot, while we are in the market cycle bottom zone, you're going to notice that this green dot actually lines up to the candle with the exact bottom of the 2018 bear market, which again led to a 5,939% move up. And in 2022, 463% after calling the exact bottom to the candle. You see now why we use these indicators and rely on them so heavily. They are an integral part of our entry strategy for the bottom of the bear market. To make sure you don't miss these signals, we can set alerts, and you're going to get these on any device that you have your TradingView account set up with. Click Create Alert, market cycle highs and lows, fear, once per bar close, and click Create. Next alert, market cycle highs and lows again, max fear, once per bar close, and click Create. Last alert, Protrade manager, long entry short take profit, once per bar close, click Create. And really quick, we're going to edit this. Make sure in your alerts tab, if you go down to notifications, you set up notify in app. This is going to provide push notifications in your mobile app. Make sure you have TradingView installed on your phone. So even if you're out and about and not paying attention to the charts, you can get these alerts as they happen. Save and make sure that's set up for all of your alerts. Guys, you need to have these indicators on your charts as soon as possible because I really think these signals are coming sooner rather than later. Our members get access to these indicators with a massive discount. I'm talking up to $300 off, on top of money-making benefits like our future forecast videos and more. Links are in the description down below. Membership is less than $50 to get started. Head to the Indicators tab, scroll down to the Protrade Manager, reveal your membership coupon code right here. Just click that link and write it down. Click Checkout on Gumroad, and click I want this. Go back to this page here, scroll down to the market cycle highs and lows. The membership coupon code is actually the same between the two, so you're good there. Click Checkout on Gumroad. Click I want this. Throw in that membership code for a total $300 discount. Fill in your information, click Pay, and you are good to go. And with that, I just want to say thanks so much for watching. Remember, trade safe, trade confident, and I'll see you for the future forecast episode. Don't miss out.